Hello everyone, welcome you all on your channel Ravneet Study Corner. So as you all know that we are doing preparation for Master Cadre Science here. So I've already uploaded a video in which I've told you about the books of physics preparation. So today I've came up with an idea that I should share books for chemistry preparation as well. So first of all, that that the thing that you should have on your desk is syllabus. This is must for every preparation. Okay, so this is chemistry master cadre syllabus. I have on this my table right here right now. So as you all know that chemistry is of chemistry is divided into three parts: physical, inorganic and organic. So first of all, if I talk about physical chemistry, it consists of 13 units, further divided into 13 subunits, and then here inorganic chemistry, which is further divided into 12 units, and then comes organic chemistry, which is further divided into 13 units. So syllabus बहुत vast है. The only thing that you have to keep in your mind is just be persistent. अपना daily target set करो, उन्हें follow करो, and you'll definitely crack your exam or definitely complete your preparation before exam. So first thing that you have to remind yourself that nothing is impossible. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Only thing that you have to do is be persistent. Again I'm saying be persistent. Regular target set karo, daily target set karo, weekly target set karo, and follow those targets, complete those targets. That's all you have to do. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I have books on my table. As I have books for physics preparation as well. I've show you those as well. So today, first of all, the books that I have on my desk is plus 2 chemistry, plus 1 chemistry, both parts of plus 1 and plus 2, and then these are graduation chemistry books. So first of all, let's start with plus 1 chemistry of plus 1. Okay, so as you can see, first thing that we have to do is physical chemistry as per our syllabus. So physical chemistry, some basic concepts: structure, classification of elements, chemical bonding, state of matter, chemical thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reaction. These all are first 8 units. First 8 units are covered in first part of plus 1, part 1 plus 1. So first 8 units of physical chemistries are covered in this. So 5 are left. 5 left units are chemical kinematics, surface chemistry, solid state, concept of catalysis, and solution. So these are covered in the these are covered in plus 2 chemistry, part 1 of plus 2 chemistry. So if you are able to see, let me put these aside first. So if you are able to see, solid state, solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinematics, surface chemistry, all the left units, 5 left units are covered in this. So plus 1 chemistry part 1 and plus 2 chemistry part 1, those books complete physical chemistry thoroughly. So you don't have to run after resources. Keep your resources limited. If you follow these two books, then stick to these books. They will surely these books will surely make you up to the exam. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to make your resources watch. You have to follow 10 books, then you have to follow another 10 books, and then another 10 books. No, this is not the way to do any preparation or any kind of exam crack. The only thing that you have to do, keep your books or resources limited. Instead of studying 10 books one times, you have to study 1 book 10 times. ऐसा ऐसा करना है कि ऐसा नहीं करना कि 10 बुक्स को एक एक बार पढ़ लेना है, ऐसा करना है कि एक ही बुक को 10 बार पढ़ लेना है, तो आपकी प्रेपरेशन अच्छे से होगी. सो फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, वी हैव डन विद फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. So next thing that is on our syllabus list is inorganic chemistry. So inorganic chemistry क्या include करती है? It includes chemical properties, hydrogen, S block, P block, D block, F block, coordination compounds, environmental chemistry, nuclear chemistry, analytic and other and bioinorganic chemistry. So these are the units that are included in this. So firstly, if I'll go with the syllabus, you have to follow plus I think one, I think it is, yes, you have to go through +2 chemistry part 2, hydrogen, S block, P block, and these topics are covered here. Other than this, the left topics that I'm talking about, the left topics, you have to cover those topics from D block, F block, P block. All those topics are from +2 part 1. Okay, so basically the thing that I'm saying, that I'm asking, that I'm telling you is go with the +1 or +2 books. That all you have to do. Okay, so other than that, if you will go with organic chemistry, go for organic chemistry. So those books which cover organic chemistry. So first of all, if we will go with the syllabus, organic chemistry consists of purification of organic compounds, some basic principles of organic chemistry, and then chemistry of hydrocarbons. So if I say chemistry of hydrocarbons is again from +1. So yes, chemistry of hydrocarbons. 1330. So these are the books, very basic books. If you are not studying chemistry for years, then these are the books that are going to help you these days. Because chemistry, the question paper, if you have seen the question paper of last year, if you have seen the question paper of 2020 Master Cadre, then you will see that how vast the area is, how deep the questions are. So the only thing that you have to do is basics, cover basics, study thoroughly. Okay, so after that, chemistry +2, organic compounds containing halogens, haloalkenes, haloarenes. These are the topics, and these are the topics from +2 chemistry. If I'll say, these are the topics from +2 chemistry. Yes, haloalkanes, haloarenes, phenols, alcohols, ethers, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, part 1, part 2, then organic compounds containing nitrogen, then chemistry in everyday life, polymers, biomolecules. These are the topics that you have to cover from +1 and +2 chemistry. So basically our whole syllabus is covered. If I'll show you, these are the books that you have to follow. These are the books that you have to follow. Your whole syllabus will be covered up. Your whole syllabus will be covered after studying these books. But there are some topics that are not involved in +1 or +2 syllabus. So those are the topics that you have to go from, that you have to study from these books. And those topics are kind of spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is a topic that is bothering students a lot. So spectroscopy. So yes, under section 3, spectroscopy, rotational spectrum, vibrational spectrum, electronic spectrum, all the topics are covered here. So it is a kind of good book. if you are studying basics. So these are the topics that are asked in previous year question papers, and you don't have to bother that it is MSc level or it is any higher level, any kind of higher level. The only thing that you have to do is cover your basics, and this book is good for basic. And this is Physical Chemistry, Pardev's S.C. Ketarpal, Volume 3rd of Physical Chemistry. I hope things are clear to you. As we are going further with our video, things are getting clear to you. So next thing that you have to do is coordination compound. So student ask the questions that are in previous year are not from +2. Yes, you're right. Some questions are like from MSc level, some are from BSc level. So if you'll see, about 80% of the questions are from +1 and +2, and the rest 20% questions are from, and rest 15% questions are from BSc, and then 5% questions are of MSc level. So if you have not done your MSc chemistry till now, then it will be good if you study BSc chemistry books. So these are the books which will cover coordination compound thoroughly. So there are questions that previously asked in the question paper about elongation, crystal field splitting theory. In crystal field splitting theory, there is a question about elongation or something like. So I have studied here with that question. Tetra. I'm not sure if it is in this book or yes. These are the questions. Crystal field splitting in tetrahedral or crystal field splitting in octahedral. So elongation or compression kind of thing happens. So yes, this is here. Crystal field splitting in tetrahedral and square planar complexes. Elongation happens, and other term is that these are known as tetragonally distorted. So this question, elongation wala question, asked in 2000, I think maybe 17 or maybe 15, 2015 or 17 master cadre. So if you want to study coordination compound of higher level, then you have to follow this book. This is Modern's Approach to Inorganic Chemistry, BSc Part 3rd, Semester 4th. Okay, so these are kind of books that you have to follow. And one thing more, organic chemistry is very disturbing for some people, some students. Okay, or if you want to study organic chemistry in deeper level, or can say may want to make your concept clear, then you have to follow these books. These are Organic Chemistry Volume 1, Volume 2, and Volume 3. So all the 3 volumes are I have here. So these are the books. Okay, if you want to know about the question about the author, about the publication, I'll put the link. I'll put the link or the name of the publications or the books in description. You can follow there from there as well. So these are the books that will help you in studying organic chemistry thoroughly. Okay, so yes, and this is for organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, S block, P block, and D block, F block. So all the blocks are here given in this book, Inorganic Chemistry. So these are the books that you have to follow, or it is not like you have to study each and every page of these books. No, this is not the way. You only have to pick topic from your syllabus, and then pick topic from your syllabus, and then study 1 or 2 pages according to that topic. So only thing that you have to do is stick with your syllabus, nothing more, nothing less. That's all I have to do. That all you have to do, or that's all I have to say. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and it will make your preparation easy. And that's all. Like, share, and subscribe karo. Press the bell icon as well to get the notifications whenever I upload a new video, and share with all those people who are preparing for lecturer cadre as well as master cadre, because I have upload videos regarding master cadre and syllabus and lecturer cadre as well. So thank you very much.